Hello everyone, welcome back to the series French for Beginners. Today is lesson 8, asking questions. So let's get started. In French, when we try to ask yes-no questions, there are three ways of asking it. The first one is intonation. The second one is using est que. The third one is using inversion. Let's take a look at the first method, intonation. It is rather informal, using a rising intonation at the end of the sentence. For example, vous êtes française? You are French? Il parle anglais? He speaks English? Elle est intelligente? She is intelligent? Il y a un livre? There is a book? Now the second method is using est que. Est que means is it that? Added in front of a sentence will change everything into a question. Est-ce que vous êtes français? Is it that you are French? Est-ce qu'il parle anglais? Is it that he speaks English? Est-ce qu'elle est intelligente? Is it that she is intelligent? Est-ce qu'il y a un livre? Is it that there is a book? The last method is using inversion. It is rather formal, putting the verb in front of the subject or the pronoun. Let's use the example we've been using all along. Êtes-vous française? Are you French? Parle-t-il anglais? Does he speak English? Est-elle intelligente? Is she intelligent? Y a-t-il un livre? Is there a book? One thing we need to take a look is that there is a T between parle-il and also y-a-il. This is to avoid the two vowels are stuck together. So that is the point that we need to take notes. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.